Okay guys, welcome back. In order for you not to be confused, this is what we are going to do. I'm going to delete all this. I'm going to delete all this. Delete this section. To delete, I'm going to right click and then delete. Don't forget, we're going to try to recreate part of them. So delete and then delete, and then we have delete. What do we have left? Okay, I think that is all. So I'm going to save, update this. Okay, so this is what we have now. So by the way, I have the image saved somewhere because I want to try and recreate what we have here, or some of what we have here. So okay, and then in order to save us time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one of this and then create one of this. Okay, all right. So take a look at this closely. Take a look at this closely. This is what we're going to be doing. Okay, so what do I see here? I see I'm going to see this is a complete section here. Okay, we are done with this section. Okay, now this is a complete section here. Now in this section I have two sections. Okay, one that has two elements. We have this portfolio element. We have this this is a divider. Okay, is it a divider? Okay, I'm gonna check it out again. So then we have this here that has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that, like I said, I'm going to be doing one of this and then doing one of this. So what we're going to have here is 1, 2, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, we're going to have 2 columns, 1, 2. Okay, each of them demonstrating how we can get to this ourselves. So okay, so at first thing we're going to do is I'm going to add another session. We need a new section here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, add new section. Okay, now don't forget, inside that section we are going to have another section. We're going to have 2 other sections. So it is best that you just have a one column section. Okay, so this is 1 column section. You can see it's 1 column. Okay, now but inside this now we're going to have 2 other sections, right? Okay, so I'm going to come here to anytime you need to find the element, just click on inside the section and then you come here, elements. Okay, if you are somewhere else, maybe you are something else is showing, all you have to do is to just click on this place and all the elements will show. Okay, so now I need an inner section inside this place. Okay, so I'm just going to come here and click an inner, just click on the section and then put and drag inside this place. Okay, so you can see that this inner section has 2 columns. I do not want that because look at what we have here. Remember what we have here from our image. We want 2 rows, 1, 2. One, the first one will carry this portfolio title element and the other one will carry these images. Okay, so back to what we are doing. So I'm going to quickly, we're going to I don't want this, so I'm going to just delete 1 column. Okay, delete. So I am left with just one column. Okay, now the next one I'm going to need another inner section. That's the one that will be so to pick that, just come here and look for the element and then need another inner section. Okay, then they drag it inside. Okay, you can see below it. Okay, once it appears where you want it to be, you just drop it inside. Okay, so we have this. Okay, and this is okay. I'm not going to change this because I actually need 2 columns to replicate what we had there. Okay, so now back to this column. First we're going to edit this column, okay, and what do we need to edit? Remember that what we have here is what, okay, let's go back to our image. We have a portfolio text, a portfolio heading. Okay, and then we have okay, let me just be sure about that. Okay, go back to our element. Okay, and then let us look for that heading. So you can see this heading here, text heading. so I'm going to drop it inside there. Okay, and then I'm going to click on it and just erase that portfolio. Okay, that one is in the center, so we have to make ours appear in the center also, so you can see the alignment here. Alignment, just click on center, so it's appearing in the middle right now. Okay, and then I think that should be all. The next thing we're going to look at is, if you want to change the colors, don't forget you can always do that on the styles. Okay, you see text color, typography. Okay, let's just play with that. Okay, let's see another variant of blue. Okay, all right, good. Okay, now back to the elements. Okay, I need okay, a divider. Yes, okay, that's a divider. So I'm going to need a divider, and I'm going to drop it below this portfolio. Okay, below this portfolio, and that's it. Okay, you can see it's a very long line, and I don't want this. I want it to be a little bit short. Okay, all you have to do is to drag here to something like this. Alignment, aligning to the center, so it's just going to be below the portfolio. And of course, you know, you can change all this. You can make it a curly line. Okay, well, that is what I don't want, so I'm just going to leave it as a solid. Okay, and then don't forget we also need the color to match with what we are doing up there. Okay, so come to styles to change the color. So here let's use the same blue. Okay, all right, we're done with that. Okay, so we have succeeded in getting this up and getting those. Next, we are going to be looking at getting these other elements done. Thank you.